Hey there, welcome back to Sydney Brown, the Memoir Mastermind, Writing and Publishing for Beginners. So newsletters can be an effective way to communicate with your readers, but are they necessary for every writer? Maybe not, right? So in this video, we're going to talk about the pros and the cons of having a newsletter. And you could also, in a more modern term, call this an email list. But with your email list, you would send out your newsletters. But a lot of people just call it an email list. But we're going to talk about the pros and cons of having a newsletter and examine how this might help you engage with your audience, promote your work, and enhance your writing career. So let's go ahead, let's dive in and find out if a newsletter is a great choice for you. So we're going to start with, the top 10 benefits of a newsletter for writers. Number 1, direct communication with your readers. Now, a newsletter is one of those things that definitely allows you to communicate directly with your readers without relying on social media algorithms or other third-party platforms. This is your direct line to your readers, and you will benefit from that if done properly. Your readers also will benefit from it because if they're following you, they want to know you better. So direct communication is a really big thing. Number 2, build an engaged audience. When you have a newsletter, it can help you cultivate this loyal following of engaged readers by providing valuable content and fostering a sense of community. You could have a group or a page as well, but having that email, that captures additional loyalty, because if they're opening it, they care. Number 3, promote your work. Use that newsletter to announce, new releases, upcoming events, special promotions, driving sales to whatever platforms you want them to go to, and increasing your visibility. Number 4, share exclusive content. Now, if you offer only to your subscribers exclusive content, such as, behind the scenes insights, bonus material, or early access to your work as a reward for their loyalty, you will get their loyalty. Now, understand, if you say it's for subscribers only, make it only for subscribers. Don't do a bait and switch. Don't be deceptive when you say things like that. They're your subscribers, they're your followers, and they deserve that extra love and attention from you. Number 5, increase website traffic. Now, when you have your email sent out via newsletter, or your newsletter sent out via email, you want to make sure that you include links to your latest blog post, to your articles, to where your books are for sale, different things like that. You want to make sure you make it easy for the people that you've sent this email newsletter to, for them to take an action. Now, the action doesn't always have to be to, make a sale. It should sometimes be, a free bonus book, or some sort of other exclusive content. Sometimes that action is going to be, you leave a review, because that helps you. And sometimes that action is going to be to buy your next book. If all you ever do is ask for something, though, you are going to get less receptive audience. So make sure that when you do this, you're giving as much as you're asking. Number 6, monitor reader engagement. So when you have a newsletter, you track the newsletter open rates through your analytics of your email provider. You want to check your click-through rates and other metrics to gauge, what's the reader engagement, how many emails are being deleted before they're ever opened. Try to find out, do they engage? Now, sometimes if you're paying for your email provider, it may make more sense to just unsubscribe some people if they never, ever, ever open your emails. If they just always delete them, you may unsubscribe for them. But most of the time, you want to just find ways to, give them a little extra time and let them get to know you. Number 7, establish authority. Now, when we do this, by sharing valuable information or insights on a specific topic, especially if you do nonfiction, you can position yourself as the expert in that niche or genre. And if it's fiction, you're still, specializing and giving your I am the werewolf author, whatever it is for you. You establish yourself as that genre. Number 8, networking opportunities. Now, almost always, if you're on social media or in email, there is a network opportunity that you should not be passing up. Collaborate with other people, other writers, or industry professionals, or even other industries that might somehow benefit each other. It doesn't have to be just bookstores or just whatever your special niche is. Find the people who you and they can benefit together. Joint promotions, joint ventures, things like that are a very big deal. And you can actually either swap talking about each other in your newsletter to expand each other's reach, or you can even charge other people especially as your list grows, your email list, then you can actually charge people to advertise in your email, because especially if you have a high open rate, that's something that people may actually pay you for. And then I think I just jumped into that. Number 9, generate income. Monetize your newsletter through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or promoting your own business products and services. Now, affiliate marketing, you want that anything that you would put in there to be something that your person, your subscriber will benefit from. So if you're a writer and you want to have an affiliate marketing, just a blurb or a URL there, don't put a lawnmower link to Amazon in that newsletter if you're a fiction author. It doesn't make sense. It's not a good fit. Now, if you're a person who writes nonfiction on how to save money, how to get your budget under control, then that lawnmower may make sense if it's like just an incredible deal that your reader would benefit from. So be careful about what you put in there to generate your income, but absolutely find a way to benefit your readership, but also generate income. Now, number 10, build a mailing list. Now, I started with the assumption that you have a mailing list and that's how you're sending out your newsletters. But if for some reason you are still doing snail mail, you need to get a mailing list. Your email list is your future. It really is. It's just a valuable asset, literally an asset for marketing your work and connecting with your audience. All right, guys. Now, I hope that you found some value there. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.